Ikomi chabono maragoba iriane Matildah Obaigwa na nekira tugochaka nigo gochaka kurase amangana ye dini ekira bono abegeno abe kanisa yege katoliki bono bachakire amatukali manyekanete buna amaguru yokwe ngata rachikoba 40 nigo bono ritukoria rero banyara gwikirana ase chikanisa ao elio gwakwa ribu bunenjeremo yokworokia ukwyaligania na bwigo gwekeya ase sabariga yokwengata nechinga kecho kurase kanisa ya cathedral aiga ase omochio bosongo nigo bono banyara gusanga negetesene kiga bwigo gusanga na bakristo ekero bakobora buna chinga kechiga banyara koinyorana ane muno bari bare ase obokongu na bwigo kobekana ase amasabo.
Tumeanza rasmi msimu wa kufunga na tumeanza na Jumatano ya machifu. Tukumbuke sote tunapoendelea kufunga, kusali na kuwafikia wengine kwamba ni lazima tuwe wanyenyekevu na tunamhitaji Kristo ili tupate nguvu ya kuokolewa, kufikia ufalme na utukufu wake. Kila wakati maishani mwetu, vile maaskofu wameongea hasa kwa baraza la Kenya ya kwamba tuchenge Kenya ambayo iko na haki, Kenya yenye amani na Kenya ya umoja. Na sisi kama Wakristo wa Katoliki chimbo la Kisii hapa Cathedral tuanze kujenga familia zetu zikiwa na haki, watoto kwa wazazi, na vile vile wawe na amani, ndiposa tuwe na ule umoja kama familia takatifu ya Maria, Yosefu na mtoto Yesu. Tuwe wanyenyekevu na Mungu atatushirikisha katika utukufu wake.
Mkuu wa Parish ya Cathedral Ekeonga na Vicar General Father Charles Amwata gotu achire litko lya lero elire lyeng'encho mono ase omokristo mo Catholic ensengima gotu achiramo gwekeia mono na kworokia ng'amaene intu mwanya bantu ogotu arweta ase liroba nande ntoirana ase liroba na kiekogera togocha twainyora yagera twachaka amagoro yokweng'ata aya tokogenda ase amatuko 40 eng'encho ya yenene ogosaba okorwa okwerigereria intu tweka abanyene nang'aitu amomocheire Nyasaye ase amang'ana ase ogokora nogotakora ntubwate abaminto abutomenyete amo na barabwo obachandegete ase enchere eyemo gose eyende intu muna abakristo ase engaki eyeiga nari tokorigererania tomanye oyo minto oyo oremeire ekiobwate kerikonyo ogosanga ebwekana mwao togesoki isiko to abando ogosemeria ng'obogima mboro ebe ng'ana obwate ebe tobwati Nyasaye gatuanchete twensi na kiekogera tokobogorera riko lya lero toruno omoyo omuya
mwancho murigire muraibense ritukoria rero nigo anyara gutarira oroche rwa Nairobi River na bwigo nechinga kecho anyara kweneke buna nigo eubi erarigerigwe chinchera egotugutwa ase omochioyo eri kweneke buna obochabu bwanyare gokianiwa na bwigo gokiania amaroira yokoreto kubwatikana na amache amachabu kaukwana kora Chinsa mocha lakisamo miyo mocho Nairobi nigo bwiga tabire nigo arachikweneke buna county yo ya Nairobi anyare konyora bokoreri obuya kubwa mono kiraba anyare gokoro iwana Mugavana wa kaunti hiyo Moske Johnson Asakaja.
Mimi nataka niseme kwa sasa Nairobi inaanza kubadilika. Ni kweli ama si kweli? Kwa macho yetu Nairobi inaanza kubadilika. Niliwaeleza tutajenga sewage system. Mimi nasimama hapa mbele yenu ya kwamba hii siwa itajengwa pande zote za mto wa Nairobi. Na kwa kujenga hii siwa, watu wa Nairobi hakuna mtu atadhulumiwa wakati tunafanya hii kazi. Mahali tunahitaji ardhi, tutaketi chini na wananchi wa hapa. Na kila mwananchi, hakuna mwananchi atafurushwa. Tutazungumza na wananchi, tutawalipa, ndio tuhakikishe ya kwamba ile kazi ya kusafisha Nairobi isilete madhara na isilete hasara kwa watu wa Nairobi County. Niliwaambia hii Nairobi River ambayo imesumbua serikali zote. Mheshimiwa Michuki alijaribu akafanya sehemu kidogo. Mimi niliwaambia tutatengeneza Nairobi River iwe ni mahali ya makazi na biashara. Itoke kuwa mahali ya chafu na majitaka, iwe ni mahali pa kuishi na mahali pa kufanya biashara. Nyinyi mnanielewa? Hii mradi ambayo inaendelea hapa inaajiri vijana 45,000 wa Nairobi County. Vijana 45,000 wanapata riziki katika mpango huu wa Climate Works hapa Nairobi River. Ati munasemaje? Ati munasemaje? Ati munasemaje? Ati munasemaje?
Na boigo mugasorero museneta wa kaunti ya Nairobi Moske Edwin Sifuna nigo bono ahorokirie ogotagokwa kwae ase getambukiro ekyo bono ekyo serikali ya kaunti yo weteraso mugavana yanyare koimokia kwenena egati yemeremo eyebonete gwikirani wase kaunti ochiase serikali enene nechinga kicho nigo atebiro na nonye na matukamagega ekere kaunti ya Nairobi yateneneire ne serikali enene nigo bono abamenya bange batigarete bose batigetwe na maote ya madeni ayo serikali etachiete kubakana ane mono inse yekiombekeri kia NMS ekira bono agotabona nonyene birengererio bya ba MCA be county ya Nairobi na bamenyi binyareti kubwateranirwa ase egetambukiro ekyo.
What's worse, the agreement is meant to take effect within 14 days, and one wonders whether any meaningful public participation can be had in such a short period. The agreement in clause 6.2 in fact states anticipates the outcome of the proposed public participation, limiting it to amendments and forgetting that the people in their righteous might have the option of rejecting the whole agreement in total during that public participation. Secondly, the steering committee established to oversee the agreement is very national government heavy. Of the 12 members of the committee, a whopping 2/3 are appointees of the national government. From its structure, the governor will play subservient to the prime cabinet secretary, making Sakaja effectively the new deputy governor of the county of Nairobi. This to me is not cooperation but a takeover. Thirdly, just last week, the governor of Nairobi City County, Johnson Sakaja, in his address to the County Assembly of Nairobi, derided what he termed the NMS experiment that left us with a Kenya shillings 16 billion hole in pending bills and vowing to never engage in similar misadventure. I wish to remind Governor Sakaja that the Senate in fact directed that those NMS pending bills were the responsibility of State House, from where he was speaking yesterday, since the accounting officer for NMS was the comptroller. He should have used the opportunity yesterday to remind the president that thousands of contractors and workers are still owed money by State House and their livelihoods remain in peril as Ruto continues to ignore them. This agreement is a blatant continuation of the NMS model and with it, the culture of unpaid bills, weak audit systems, and unbridled corruption. Fourthly, it is in the public knowledge that the national government owes Nairobians over 100 billion shillings in unpaid rates and other payables from national government institutions. Ruto throwing around the figure of 80 billion as a symbol of his generosity to the people of Nairobi is nothing but a ruse. Fifthly, the national government continues to hold on to functions that are solidly county functions under the 4th schedule of the Constitution.
Wancho muriro tigarira asengane yo nigo bono mubunge o Embakasi East Moske Babu Wino nere bono anyare komochia omugavana we county ya Nairobi hase akorera buna nonye obetega koria chira chinyinge ekirago so ase kiro gekyo nigo bono abamenyi banyare konyora obokoreri butari obya kurwase serikali ye county yo nabwo kuba mono kirago murikira chinyagitari chinyinge chichitabwatia mariogo nse ye serikali ye county ya Nairobi nabwo tabuna nigo emirobori yende menge tarabake gwikirana nande ekira nyare korera buna ndake omugavana Moske Sakaja nigasinyirwe emirimo yaye ase kiro gekyo kyaye.
Nairobians believed that the Nairobi County would be clean. There would be no garbage within the city. They did believe that jobs would be provided to Nairobians. They did believe that health facilities would work and the medics, the staff, would be paid well. Nairobians also believed that they could have low cost of living as opposed to what we are experiencing currently. What did we see? Nairobians trusted the wrong person, gave power, gave responsibility to a person who was not qualified for the job. That is Governor Sakaja. When you go to Mama Lucy Hospital, you get a death trap in the name of a hospital. No drugs within the hospital. There's a lot of negligent activities occurring at Mama Lucy. Our mothers being treated disrespectfully. No respect at all. Our mothers are delivering on the floors. Doctors are not paid. Medics, nurses are not paid. Services are not run there. And it is a shame.
Nase omuswadi onyara kubikwa bosio bwe bunge nene no mwakilishi wa bangina kurase county ya Kisii Moske Doris Aburi uyo korigereria okunererigwa na boigo kugutachuranse kwa bana abake ane muno abasubati bali bagongiri gosubanyarira marito agenkyo nikubono mojadalo yo gendete koreta engana goseribirira ase bunge nene ni chinga kiecho ose nigolitukoria rero omujumbe omubunge omuchore kurase county ya Nyamira Moske Irene Mayaka neranyare gosegeta engane yo na gotabuna abantu mbabonete gosemigo igoro yo kwanchana na boigo kurendana abuka abanyene no nyina abana bake gosomigwa buna baranyare gokina bare na maskani na gosikana bamura ase abaisike.
Honorable Speaker, Part A of the bill is talking about promotion of public awareness on sexual offences through a national-wide education and information campaign. Honorable Speaker, this last weekend, we've been treated to very embarrassing videos of a Russian guy who was trying to woo Kenyan women, who were quite unaware because he was wearing gadgets that were taking videos while he was trying to woo them. And Honorable Speaker, if you look at even Section 55, Section 43(1)(f) of our Constitution, which speaks about general right of education for everyone, I actually think that this education is not even important for just children. Even us as adults, we need this education because people need to be very aware of their surroundings and people who are trying to woo them into this direction. Section 2 of the amendment by Honorable Donya seeks to ensure that the Cabinet Secretary, in consultation with the responsible for matters of education, is also ensuring that this particular education is being done. And Honorable Speaker, I really want to believe that once this is actually assented into law, that we will have the necessary steps taken in place by the cabinet secretaries in charge of this, so that we can have
kirikia odium kigenderete na siasa yabo yogo tarira abamenyi bichinsemo nigo ensemo yabarai kurasikia mekyo banyara gutarira abangina hime ye county ya Nairobi ritkoria rero nechinga kicho banyara gusanga na gotebasi chinkona chabubuna ikemagia odium nigo kirigetie kwenyora abarai abange kigma kuba muno kurasi county yo ya Nairobi nabo kubulia bakenya bonsi bagendere kuba no wanchani asikiama kia ODM.
Chama yetu ya ODM tusipoteze viti tukiona. Hata kama tunaingia chama cha coalition na UDA, wamama mkumbuke chama yenu mali mmetoka. Mkiona MCA wa ODM pigia kura. Mkipata MP wa ODM pigia kura. Ikifika senator, woman rep, governor pigia kura. Wamama hai.
Tuko kwa broad based. Tuko kwa broad based. Tuko kwa broad based. Chini ya president gani? President gani? Unga William Ruto mkono. Bas, sisi baba alituacha hapo, si ndio? Na tutakaa hapo tusaidiane na Dr. Oburu Oginga. Kitu nataka msisahau na msifanye, sisi chama yetu ni ODM. Chama ni na kala yetu ni nini? Kala yetu ni nini? Orange, ndio. Msisahau hata mkiona wale wamevaa yellow, msisahau nyumba yenu. Nyumba yetu ni gani? Nyumba yetu ni gani? Na ya wale ni gani? Ya wale ni gani? UDS ndio.
Moncho murire asengana ayogo yamangana yebinyuwa na boigo amariogo yogo tindia niko bono abonchoreria na boigo abonia abetumbato mense ya Kenya banyare gutuma okwemurungania kwabo gucia sebunge eliye senate na kiro bago tabuna andake kiro ebunge eyo yanyara gwetia lichiko ryo gucia kurigire buna egati yetutumbato chatigire kwani wa aime yense ya Kenya na ekiagera nigo chiko obarigane gose nigo chigwansa gucia se abana abemya kemeke nigo bono aboni abo banyare ko murungane buna ebirengerero byabo tibitegereire use kubwatiraniwa ase gitambo kerekyo nekiro babori buna andake bunge senate nande enyare ko itaba nabe usangiriria ebirengerero byabo use gukora public participation nekiagera buna echiro nigo erachi gusareka eyira chikoirania na onyene uchumi yensi ya Kenya magega.
Bako amendment bill, sisi tuna support regulation. Sisi tuna support capturing of the new products, which is nicotine pouches and the new products that have come. Lakini one of the things ambayo tuko na shida nayo sana ni ya kwamba ilipitia through public participation that we were not involved. Ilipitia through insufficient public participation that was only done in the Senate. Na tukauliza hivi, I think spirit ya public participation ni watu wakuje, maoni ya kila mtu ihusishwe. So kile ambacho tumeona na hii bill ni ya kwamba ni kama hawataki maoni yetu. Kitu ya kwanza, hii kitu imekuja ikaleta leseni mpya. Kama tungekaa chini tuongeleshane, hiyo ni kitu ambayo tungeangalia. Hii kitu imekuja sasa juzi wamesema wameondoa flavors. Swali yangu ni hii, why are you fearing flavors? Tunachukua flavors from pombe, from sweets, from tea. Flavors is the way of life. Why are you banning flavors? Hizi products mpya ambazo zimekuja zinasaidia mtu ambaye anavuta sigara ili maafa ya kuvuta sigara ipungue. Na ndio wameondoa moto, wameondoa moshi, umeona, na wameondoa magonjwa mingi. Tumeona ukiangalia zile jurisdictions zingine kama Uganda, ukiangalia mahali kama Bhutan, ukiangalia mahali kama Nigeria, wakati hizi products, hata South Africa, in fact that is the recent casualties, wakati hizi products zilikuwa banned, zilileta a major criminal enterprise ambaye in one of the engagement inaitwa Gold Rush imechange mpaka ikaribu economy za countries. Saa hizi vile tunaongea 60% ya pombe ambayo inauzwa ni mbaya, ni counterfeit na illicit. 40% ya sigara ambayo inauzwa ni counterfeit and illicit.
Egoke nayo nayenda mange angenchira buneyo Ekeonga Chinsa ibere nabago Chinsa nyicharero morogoba asentira engikira nukima kulinda sibono mbiyamona sana kyagira ogendete kubwatia miroberi ya Getembe TV nere makopio naboigo nkorogo kiba cha etumbili patiko swase umuroberio wekerorano nchengoro kwa Matildah Obaigwa mbiyamona sana nyasa uyo Getembe Television Ekeonga kiamomoksi.
Burabu Technical Training Institute iskuru jobo bundi yijose michekerero na magendero bakwili ya chisemo asinsemo ya Computing and Informatics Department mbabuate ICT Computer Programming Cyber Security Buiko, Digital Animation and Media, Assessment ya Building and Civil Engineering Department, Buate, Plumbing, Building Technology, Assessment ya Electrical and Electronic Engineering Department, Buate, Electrical Engineering, Power Option, Electronics, Buiko Telecommunication, Assessment ya Institutional Management Department, Nkurubari, Fashion Design and Clothing Technology, Hairdressing and Beauty Therapy, and some of Health Science Department, Mbabuate, Health Records, IT, na Community Health, as some of Business Studies, Mbabuate, Human Resource, Business Management, na Sabra Jane.
Inche Samarita Dr. Were Momanyi, a principal, Warabu Technical Training Institute, Warabu Technical Training Institute, Igere Nyamira County, Kebirigo Market, Warabu Technical Institute igeko some abana nade koru chikosi nyinge chikosi echi igachire chia magoko gose chitokoroka chiko abane skill egere gochimotu banyare gwekorera banyare konyora no negasi bagokoresa obwangu muibori onde bwensi ototegererete tobase gotiga omwana ng'abere isiko ng'oko bachibesa nchiyo ese institution yaito gose ese skuru yaito okoreta omwana oyo tomoapuraere tomobeke ase serikali aeguchibesa chie government scholarship gose capitation aeguchibesa korwa ase serikali ese ensemo tokoruka help aeguchibesa chia CDF omwana oyo ekera iruchibesa ichionsi igemineti ng'a igagosoma bosa tobaise gotiga omwana oyo isiko ekiagera ng'a tobwatie ebesa morete nabo tokobwaterana omwana oyo anyora amasomo achigwekonya nande achikobakonya
Intake January 2026 nigo egenderete ilikirero bwenyori baga Burabu Technical Training Institute nigo bagatuka asebare Kisii Ikonge angeno muchoke brego asamange bakiresimi inuti isano na ibere inuti isano na ibere inye isano nemo ibere eyemo isano na ibere isano nemo inye inuti isano na ibere isano na ibere inye isato ibere inuti isano boigo inuti isano na ibere isano isato inye ibere isano nemo kusoma talire ase website www.burabu.tti.ac.ke Burabu Technical Training Institute Technical Skills for Development.
Asomoroburio twabaire tokwarigania komorekera obokoreri korwa ase serikali ya kaunti ya Kisii insi omugabana Paul Simbarati lero nigo tokomorekera ebunge ya Kitutu Chache South eyebwate chigwodi chia Bugusero Bogeka Nyakoe Nyatieko na Kitutu Central imiegwodi ya Bugusero nigo eshedi yabekirwe ase chiro ya eroga abwase boigo abananchi bagenda konyetumeka asa mangana yechipara ubwagachi bwepara yongicho primary ongaro Nyamagoma nigo bwaikiro mwelio ubwagachi bwepara ya Soli Dago Nyamondo Liabuli nigo bwaikiro mwelio ubwagachi bwepara ya Riverside Nyabigena St Vincent nigo bwaikiro mwelio na ubwagachi bwepara ya Bwongoto Nyamochiro Etora nigo bwaikiro mwelio asamangana ayobochenuo bwagachi bwe dispensary ya Matieko nigo bwaikiro mwelio abwasa abananchi banyalirwe sokia kubotuke birangariri byabo kumwakirambya mono umugabana Paul Simbarati